PK.
Did that fall off? Oh, it wasn't on there. Okay.
His neck.
Your neck. Yeah, maybe give him a. Yeah. Yes.
What rules do you have that aren't indoor when you do 3s and 4s?
It's like Wednesday rules, but open hand's fine, but no open hand
Yeah, open
tips.
hand tips.
Yeah.
Alright. And if you're going to jump over, just got okay. And then, is like everyone a front row player in terms of hitting? Or it's just like the back middle guy not a front row, you have the 10 line?
No, middle can hit. Middle can hit at the net too.
So everyone's
Yeah,
there's no
yeah,
10 line, doesn't
yeah.
it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this a team?
Yes.
Do we rotate or what do you do?
Yes, we rotate.
Okay. I'll start wherever. I don't know what you want me. Just do this.
You want to do this? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Oh, okay, cool. All right. Hold on, hold on. Nice serve. Okay, so Nick will join when he's ready and Sam, okay. Right in the seam. Yeah.
I feel like afterwards you can always be like,
I don't even know if that was a real. We can, and they'll just join when they're ready, yeah. Okay. You can serve. Want to start it, Austin? 1-0. Are you solo, Grant? Oh! Took everything off.
my legs are still moving with the hits. Like,
Once. Yeah, once. Oh. 2-1. It was going good until your hand hit the ball. That's 3s for you. 2-all. All right, Mr. Tipalot. 3-2. Oh, good swing though. Just out, yeah. It was probably in until it hit the tape. The tape hates Grant and me. Nice swing. 3-4.
I'll swing hard next. First two are warm.
3-4. Out. Force. Force. Yeah. Great spot, right in the middle. 5-4. 5-4. Six, 4. Six, 4. Sure. You want to jump in, right? Six, 4. Oh. Tough ricochet. 5-6. What's up, Sam? Nice shoes. 5-6. 5-6. 5-6. 5-6.
Say it louder.
Different language next time.
Don't say it in person.
Yeah. 7-5. Sure. Nice. Nice block. 8-5. Nice job. 9-5.
We're playing if your back row is to hit from the 10.
No, it's fours. So like.
Okay. But you were good anyways.
Yeah.
I got tried to.
Yeah.
Alright, so PK's center. Or you're front.
No, Grant is. Grant's got hands.
Oh, we're rotating? I thought, didn't we serve that? Did we serve?
You served that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I thought we served that.
We did.
7?
Yes.
8. 8.
8-5.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Nice set. Nice serve. 9-5. Nine, 5. Nice job. 0-5. I'm here. Oh, so are you. 1-5.
I fisted that shit.
Hey, keep it going. 2-5. Oh, it was a 1? I thought it was 2. Good run, Sam. Good run. 6-11. 6-11. Yep. Yep. That was out. That was it. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Yep. I got 8-1. Was it? I think it was.
I thought it was. He just lost it in. Cody said out. And then
Redo. Ace was with me. Ace was with me. Look very out. Go ahead, redo.
I thought it was out.
Break one.
8-1 again.
Nine one. Come on.
Catch, redo.
12-9.
Yeah, 2-9.
Oh, God.
I was about to yell one time, but
Yeah. 3-9. Yeah. Good up. 0-3, 0-3. Yeah. Sorry, Grant. Push you too much to the middle.
you guys often set the back row, or should I kind of was that set for me or Grant?
That was for Grant. That was for Grant. That was for Grant.
I'm gonna try to do it as far as hitting it.
No, it was just a bad set.
Okay.
4-1. I think 4-1.
I was the threes here.
Yeah, 4-1.
14-11.
You want Austin on that side?
Yeah. You guys use this to set you up, should I?
You block that side, I'll block this side.
Okay.
5-1. Two five. Topper.
Yeah.
Nice set. Nice swing. 6-2. Six two. Nice. Seven two. I don't know if you were there, Sam.
I was getting tired.
You gonna be able to do that, both sides?
Not on a long time.
3-7. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Nice set. Nice swing. 8-3. Yep.
Go.
4-8. 4-8.
That was enough.
5-8.
That's very good.
9-5. Yeah. 6-9.
Yeah, that's it. 6-9?
Yep.
Go watch.
My bad. 7. Help, help.
Got it?
07.
Line outside, hand with the hands together. I'll block this one.
07. Yep. Good serve. Yeah.
I wasn't sure it was going over. It just barely came over.
Smart, man.
1-7. That's a business decision. Watch deep. Ow, ow, ow. Nice serve. 2-7. Nice. Woo! Nice job. 3-7. Great serves, Grant. Nice. Yep. 4-7. Point 7. Eight 4. Great run. Great run. 8-4.
I was just very early on it.
9-4. Let's go. That was so easy and I fucked it up. 0-4.
Win now.
Again.
Do you like them inside like that or outside?
A little more out, but like
That was a cool pitch.
Again. Again. Again.
was high enough, so I time to get. I just also jumped early because I thought it was short. In general, and we're out like they're high enough. High enough, and that's just make it a little bit. Look how many people in this high and low.